Take a shower. To wash your body under running water. I take a shower every morning. He takes a shower after playing football. Take a picture. Use a camera or phone to capture a photo. Please take a picture of me. He wants to take a picture of his friend. Take a bite. Eat a small piece of food. He told me to take a bite of pizza. The baby took a bite of bread. Take care. Look after someone or something. He takes care of his sick father. Nurses take care of patients. Take a taxi. Use a taxi to travel. We will take a taxi to the hotel. I will take a taxi to the airport. Take medicines. Eat or drink medicine when you are sick. He takes medicines for a headache. The doctor told me to take medicines. Take a vacation. Go away from work or school to rest. We will take a vacation in summer. He took a vacation to relax. Take a seat. To sit down. He told me to take a seat on the bench. She asked me to take a seat near her. Take notes. Write important information to remember. She takes notes during the meeting. You should take notes in the lecture. Take part. Join or participate in something. I take part in school games. She takes part in the singing competition.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!